All right, time to give this guy a bit of TLC. This is my favorite plant inside the house. How big this boy is. He's huge. Look at him. Anyways, this Monstera needs some TLC right now, so I am going to give him a nice drink today because he needs the love. I got this guy on the side of the road. Basically, he was being thrown away by my next door neighbor. They were basically cleaning out house and the plant was fully neglected. Had a big ass stem, but it was basically on its last legs, and I took him home. I took him home when he was an absolute baby, like only like one little stem down here, and we've had it now for, how long have we had it now for? 6 years. I've had this guy for 6 years, and ever since then he's been in this position for most of his life, and he is absolutely thriving. So with him, he's pretty much one of the most low maintenance plants I have inside the household, because he only needs to be watered once every 2 weeks, so very, very little watering required. I use this 2-liter spray thing just to spray all over the actual soil. Latte, come here. Yep, yeah, chill out. Chill out. And giving him plenty of TLC, gets plenty of daytime light. We're a west-facing house, so this bad boy gets plenty of light throughout the whole day, especially with all the curtains that we have. And he just, this particular plant just adds a crazy impact. They're relatively cheap, so if you're looking at a big impact plant, this plant is cheap. They grow fast, and they produce these massive leaves, as you can see. Yeah, so if you're looking for an indoor plant that's relatively low maintenance, looks really, really luscious and green, and has high impact, I cannot recommend Monstera enough. It is a great indoor plant, and I'm a sucker for anything green inside the house. Just makes your home look so much nicer when you have beautiful lush greenery, whether it's a industrial style vibe or Hamptons or contemporary, whatever it is. This is what I recommend. Great plant. Also got inspired by this plant when I walked across shop fronts, and there's a crap ton of them. Being inside these high-end stores, they have like one big one, and it's just like bang, that's the impact, that's the plant, that's it. It looks so good. Simple and effective, yeah? And just gonna let him grow and grow and grow. But this is his watering today. He is going to love it, because springtime's gonna be here, so that means that more leaves are just gonna punch out. And I'm gonna water the one in the other room as well. So that is looking really good. He's got a good drink. But yeah, look at the size of that thing. He's huge. He loves it. It's Latte's favorite spot as well. All right, on to the next watering. That one is done. That one is done for today. And we're gonna water the monster in the guest bedroom. So I'll take you there. We'll water that tall guy. All right, here we go. All right, we are now going to the behemoth, and this guy is massive. I'm not gonna let him grow any taller because he's pretty much at maximum height. So any more stems that grow out, we're just gonna basically replace. But yeah, This is the behemoth, and he resides in the guest bedroom. For this one, I had to make a totem pole for him, and then with the totem pole, I don't know what this is, moss, Sicilian moss or something it's called. I don't know what the moss is called, but there's a particular moss that helps the roots aerate and propagate and basically grow and absorb nutrients through, and that's the totem pole that I've created for him. But that's how I water this guy in here, because he's got all these air roots that just goes up and up and up and up. This one, same thing, water once every 2 weeks. There's a tray underneath, so that tray absorbs any excess water that comes out. But no, this guy loves the good water, and he is definitely maximum impact in this room, that's for sure. So when we have any guests come over, they're like, whoa, you're big. Yes, he is massive, this boy. But this is what I do for them, give them some love, just watering them in. Out on this side. So once again, if you, how big he is, my God. Yep, touching the ceiling already. But this helps me with Zen. These plants here, the beauty about them is they bring a lot of calmness into the household, and they bring a lot of beauty. Everything greenery inside the house just helps feel like you're in nature. So in our household we have greenery everywhere. So today we're watering these two guys, and then I've got a devil's ivy that I'm going to water as well. Yeah, just a chilled session of watering some of my favorite indoor plants. If you have any questions about them, let me know. But this is my jam. Look at that. Yep, just giving it a good drenching. Perfect. And now we go for the base. So there is roots down there as well. But that's the great thing about this particular bottle. Gives it a nice little mist, so it's not so hectic. Wow. There we go. So take all that in, and can be a happy camper. Yeah, looking pretty happy now. That's nice and moist and wet. All right, on to the last one. Down to the devil's ivy. Last but not least, this is currently one of my favorite plants in the house. So this is my marble queen. It's like a variegated version of the devil's ivy, and it is a beaut. It is an absolute beaut. It has impact. It's got a beautiful white and green marbling to it, and I've grown this now for like the last 5 years. So I've only recently moved it into this space, but it's been inside my downstairs bathroom, unused bathroom for ages. It's got really nice light there, but we moved it up into this room now, just to make this room a little bit prettier. My boys, actually, this is meant to be my boys' room, but they're not using it at the moment. They're still young. So we are just putting it here at the moment, just to make it look nice and pretty. But this guy, look at him. Isn't it gorgeous? And you know what the great thing about this plant is? This plant is extremely versatile. Like, you can just basically cut it, put it in water, it will start growing roots, and then you have another plant. And you just keep going and going. They are true multipliers. They multiply so fast. Yeah, just giving you some TLC. To the roots. But yeah, these plants, if you ever want to add any plants to your household, I definitely recommend a devil's ivy. Probably one of the most low maintenance plants ever. We have them all over the house. They're draping from the bathroom, draping in our bedside table, everywhere. So add one of these bad boys to your collection, and I don't think you'll regret it. But if you do have cats that like to eat plants, not something I recommend. So there are some certain cats out there just like to chew on random stuff. Probably not good with a devil's ivy, from what I've been told. I don't own any cats, so I can't tell you. And my dogs don't go around digging up my plants, so it's a good thing. But yeah, these guys, look at them. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that thing. So gorgeous. Just giving some TLC. And that is my watering done for the day. For these guys. I won't need to see them for a couple of weeks. Okay. Some more. Yeah, so check it out. Super low impact, super chilled, easy to grow plants. And the only thing you got to do is just be patient with them, just like anything. What I realize, so be patient. You want something to grow nice and grow properly. Just got to spend time with it, invest in it. That's my bad boy here. Watering that one in. Okay, should be super happy. Yeah, the floor's a little bit wet, so we'll mop that up in a moment. But besides that, we are happy, very happy with this result. Until the next one, like and subscribe. Give me some love. Appreciate ya. Have a great day.